Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at some strategies which the exam board have not told you about. Now, I know most of you have the literature paper 2 being sat this Wednesday, so I did want to go over some strategies on how you can ace these exams. So starting off with number 1, it's quite simple, is to actually understand the question. It's such a simple strategy, but a lot of students read the question wrong. So understand what the question is asking, very important. And before diving into the text, carefully read and analyze the question prompt for paper 2. Make sure you comprehend what is being asked and identify the key elements or themes you need to address in your response. This will help you stay focused and provide a more targeted and coherent essay. So when you look at the question, there's definitely going to be something about the key themes. So you need to be able to identify that in your exam. Number 2 is to plan your essay, very important. So planning, I'm sure you know, is pivotal for any exam, especially for literature. Spend a few minutes planning your essay structure before starting to write. Outline the main points you want to cover and the evidence or examples. So here is referring to the quotes from the text that support your arguments. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure a logical flow in your essay. Number 3, analyze the text in depth. Very important. So again, an important strategy for your literature paper 2. Carefully read and analyze the literary text you're required to discuss in paper 2. Pay attention to themes, characters, literary devices, and the author's purpose or message. Very important. So you need to essentially tick these off in your essays for your paper 2. If you can do that, then you have written an amazing answer. Take notes and highlight relevant passages that you can refer to in your essay. The more thorough your understanding of the text, the stronger your analysis will be. So in simple terms, your analysis needs to be detailed. And number 4 is to use quotes effectively. Very important. And it's something that a lot of students sometimes ignore. So incorporate relevant quotations. Very important. A lot of the times, students are picking quotes which are not relevant, meaning they pick quotes which they struggle to analyze. So I always tell students, look at the quote and see if it's linked to the question. Often they pick quotes that are not relevant and therefore they struggle with the analysis. So incorporate relevant quotations from the text to support your argument and analysis. Choose quotes that are concise, impactful, and directly related to the points you're making. Remember to introduce and analyze each quote, explaining its significance, very important, explaining its significance and how it supports your overall argument. And finally, as cliche as it sounds, you've probably heard this many times before, practice time management. Very important. Practice time management. That goes for all your exams: English, maths, science, geography, RE, and even history. Manage your time wisely during the exam to ensure you have enough for planning, writing, and revising. Allocate a specific amount of time for each section of your essay and stick to it. Leave some time at the end to review. This part is very important. I see a lot of students continue writing as if it's the end of the world, but you need to make sure you spend at least the last 5 to 10 minutes checking over and editing your work for clarity, coherence, grammar, and spelling mistakes. Very important. And these are essentially the top strategies that you need to remember for your literature paper 2. So give it your best shot, because you never know. That one additional mark that you get could be the difference between a pass and a fail, or a grade 8 and a grade 9. And for most of you, this will probably be the last time you will ever have sat a literature exam. So give it your best shot. I wish you all the best of luck for your exams. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.